officiating officials, if good na siya, i-indicate ninyo nga good na siya. Thank you. Requesting officiating officials, please indicate na good na siya para hindi na tayo magbalik-balik ang match. Thank you. Currently, grade school novice, Mendoza Wayne. Mendoza Wayne, Jaguars, Red Armor. Herbito Prince Charles. Herbito Prince Charles, Z-Force. Wala. Herbito Prince Charles, Z-Force, wala. Please proceed to court number 4. Blue Armor. Next game. Grade school novice, Mendoza Wayne. Red Armor, Jaguars. Herbito Prince Charles, Blue Armor, Z-Force.
Winners for Bullseye Duo Mixed Red. Gold from Alco, Baton and Giga. Gold. Gold. Next to perform is Bullseye Duo Mixed Junior Black. Team number 1 is from Anbo, Hulao, and Dawe versus team number 2, Panthers, Lashon, and Villa Gonzaga. Please proceed to the mats now. Thank you.
Royland Dilima versus Ita Timlor. Court number 1. Beijing Kanuo, John Kerwin. Si John Kanuo. Pari na sa tumangan. Aligod Kanuo, John Kerwin. Next game. Please.
Prepare Cadet Bullseye Yellow,
Kanuo.
Andy Guzman, Shahani Ray Pimentel, Trisha K. Quezon. You'll be next. And for Junior Bullseye Yellow, Mary Vic Rojas and Jackie May Gerard. Palihog ko, barong na mga again for Cadet Bullseye Yellow, and D. Guzman, Shahani K. Pimentel, and Trisha
Zipzillion. Next game, court number 2, type 1.
Ako na po, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Jose Gold Mixed Junior Cup winner, gold. Pair number 2 from Panthers, Villagazano Anason. Silver from Ango, Hulao and Taoy. Congratulations. Next to perform is grade school, Cadet Pumse Yellow, additional.
Purely male junior intermediate. Final round. Sorella Alexis Ivan B. Jaguars. Red Armor versus Kakang Dave. Blue Armor. Zipzillion. Please proceed to court number 2.
Sila dulu kan dua.
Score shot, ready?
Bawa naman sila.
Please prepare grade school Pumse White, Rina May Darion, Mary Jane Veteran, and Lian Blake Ocania.
Ini nahdap mo sa din masuod mo. Yang ayang front leg kami mga sa din. Yan ang buhat ko rin.
Last and final call. Sorella Alexis Ivan. Red Armor. Nakawala. Padalian dito sa court number 2. Dalian ang magkitawa. Kakang Dave. Blue Armor. Final round. Next match. Mendoza Lloyd Francis. Jaguars. Versus Mendoza Lloyd Francis. Jaguars. Blue Armor. Versus Kanoo John Kerwin. Mendoza Lloyd Francis. Jaguars. Red Armor. Kanoo John Kerwin. Blue Armor. CPT. Please proceed to court number 4. Final round. Requesting Mendoza Lloyd Francis. Jaguars. Red Armor. Kanoo John Kevin CPT. Blue Armor.
Ikaw sa scorer sa isa. Kasi sa ito. Sa kanila harap.
Dili mo rin for victory. Blue